I'm Lara from Yakify, and today we're going to talk about mobile commerce and 4 ways to improve your conversions and experience. So keep on watching. What is m-commerce? First things first, mobile commerce is the purchase and sales of products and services using mobile devices, for example smartphones and tablets. Also known as m-commerce, it is a form of e-commerce where customers don't have to use a computer. Examples of mobile commerce can be in-app purchase, for example through Amazon or Instagram. Pretty straightforward, isn't it? M-commerce makes it quicker and easier to purchase goods. One can do it on the way or within 2 minutes usually, as opposed to opening a computer, turning it on, finding a connection, googling a website. You get the picture, don't you? M-commerce for the win. Why mobile optimization is important for your store. We work in business, so we love numbers. So let me start my argument on why mobile optimization is super important by giving you a few statistics. Worldwide retail e-commerce sales by mobile in 2021 reached a 4.92 trillion, and in 2022 it is forecasted that this number will grow by 16.8%, while retail mobile e-commerce sales in the US hit 359.32 billion in 2021. By 2025, retail m-commerce sales should double to reach 728.28 billion. Now think about it. Currently, 67% of online retail traffic comes from mobile, as opposed to only 33% coming from desktop computers. Mobile visits are more than likely to grow over time. So if you have a website that is not optimized for mobile, you potentially can lose a lot of clients, simply because your website is hard to use or the checkout process wasn't clear. 4 tips to improve your m-commerce sales. Now let's see together 4 practical ways in which you can optimize your website for mobile commerce. Tip number 1. Have you ever heard of the mobile first theory? The mobile first approach refers to the practice of designing or developing an online experience for mobile before designing for desktop, web, or any other devices. Taking a mobile first approach aims to reverse the workflow of designing for desktop and scaling down for mobile later. Tip number 2. Offer m-commerce friendly payments. What does it mean? Well, if you're waiting for the bus, you probably don't have your credit card handy. Normal online payments record credit card numbers, code, secure information, while payments such as PayPal, Google Pay, or Apple Pay can be done in just a couple clicks, wherever you are, without having to remember complicated numbers. Tip number 3. Now come the talk of the year, augmented reality. AR is becoming more and more popular, to the point that even Amazon uses to display its products. So why not try it for your store as well? Showing your products in AR can help you reduce returns, since customers know exactly how your products look like. Keep also in mind that customers are willing to pay more if they're given the option to see their products on their own terms. The important bit here is finding a supplier that can create an AR file compatible with platforms like Facebook, Shopify, and etc., so that you can actually use it on your store. If you want to know how to request your very own AR file in just a few minutes, click here. Tip number 4. Explore different channels. Connect your store to Facebook Shop and Instagram Shopping to allow customers to buy your products directly in their social media. According to Statista, from January to March 2021, Facebook Shop had an average of 1 million monthly users and around 250 million active shops worldwide, while Instagram counts over 1 billion active users worldwide in 2021, 80% of which decides to buy a service or a product from there. And don't forget about Google Shopping, which has monthly searches reaching 1.2 billion. Again, don't want to miss on that, do you? That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please leave us a thumbs up, share with your friends, and subscribe to our channel to be always up to date with our latest content. See you next time!